There are 3 easy ways to access the Helperbird dictionary. First is simply right-clicking any word. Scroll down to Helperbird and click Define Word. It will open the Helperbird dictionary in a new tab where it will display the definition of the word. The second easy way to access the Helperbird dictionary is if you have the Helperbird highlight menu turned on. Highlight any text and it will launch the Helperbird highlight menu. Click Dictionary to launch the dictionary. The third way to access the Helperbird dictionary is simply by clicking this book symbol in the Quick Actions menu. Here you can paste or type any word you want to define. Notice if you scroll to the bottom of the definition, synonyms are shown. Each of these are clickable and will take you to that word's definition. And that's how you use the Helperbird dictionary.